What happens to your body when you eat one onion every day? Are you tired of the same old superfoods dominating every health trend? Kale, avocados, and quinoa had their time in the spotlight, but it's time to shift focus to a humble yet powerful contender: onions. These versatile bulbs are more than just a kitchen staple. They're nutritional powerhouses that can transform your health in surprising ways. Whether raw in salads, caramelized on burgers, or as the base of a hearty stew, onions are as delicious as they are beneficial. So, what actually happens to your body when you eat one onion every day? Let's peel back the layers and explore the scientifically backed benefits of this underrated superfood. 1. Fights cancer naturally. Onions contain a treasure trove of flavonoids, natural compounds that act as antioxidants and have anti-cancer properties. These include anthocyanins, found in red onions, and quercetin, common in yellow onions. Research shows that onions can inhibit the growth of various cancer cells, including colorectal and ovarian cancer. A study conducted on human cancer cells found onion extracts effective in suppressing tumor growth. Another remarkable compound in onions, known as onionin A, shows promise in preventing ovarian cancer by slowing down the spread of cancer cells. Imagine tossing some fresh onion slices into your salad and knowing you're giving your body a cancer-fighting boost. 2. Strengthens your bones. Move over. Dairy. Onions are surprisingly good for your bones. Studies suggest that a compound in onions called GPCS, gamma-glutamyl peptides, helps prevent bone loss. Women who eat onions daily have 5% higher bone mass than those who eat them occasionally. The benefits don't stop at bone density. Quercetin, abundant in onions, may also reduce inflammation in conditions like arthritis, potentially easing joint pain. So, the next time someone tells you to cut back on onions, let them know you're building stronger bones. 3. Enhances heart health. Onions are a heart's best friend. Their flavonoids lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and prevent blood clots. They also contain sulfur compounds that act as natural blood thinners, improving circulation and reducing the risk of heart attack and stroke. Onions even protect the heart from oxidative stress, a condition linked to various cardiovascular diseases. Incorporating onions into your diet isn't just a choice. It's an investment in a healthier heart. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar is crucial, especially for those with diabetes. Onions can help. Studies have shown that consuming raw red onions significantly lowers fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. The fiber in onions also aids in slowing the absorption of sugar, stabilizing blood sugar spikes. If you're looking for a natural way to control blood sugar, adding onions to your meals could be a game changer. 5. Supports digestive health. Your gut loves onions. They are rich in fiber and prebiotics, which nourish beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. When gut bacteria break down these prebiotics, they produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation, boost immunity, and enhance nutrient absorption. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and onions make it easier than ever to keep things running smoothly. 6. Relieves respiratory problems. Battling seasonal allergies or a lingering cough. Onions may help. They contain quercetin and isothiocyanates, which have anti-inflammatory properties that ease asthma symptoms and reduce nasal congestion. Onion extracts have long been used as home remedies for respiratory conditions, from bronchitis to the common cold. Adding onions to warm soups during cold and flu season is a simple yet effective way to breathe easier. 7. Boosts brain health. Cognitive decline is a growing concern, but onions may offer hope. A study conducted in Japan found that quercetin-rich onions significantly improved memory and cognitive function in older adults. These findings suggest that onions can help slow age-related mental decline. Incorporating onions into your diet is an easy, natural way to keep your brain sharp and stave off neurodegenerative conditions like dementia. 8. Natural detoxifier. Onions act as a natural detox agent, thanks to their high sulfur content. Sulfur helps the body detoxify heavy metals and toxins while improving liver function. Regular consumption of onions supports a cleaner, more efficient system, leaving you feeling energized and rejuvenated. How to enjoy onions daily. Incorporating onions into your meals is easy. Add raw slices to salads and sandwiches. Caramelize them for a sweet, savory side, or toss them into soups and stir-fries. The options are endless, and the benefits are too good to ignore. Pro tip: while onions offer incredible health benefits, some individuals may experience migraines or flatulence. If this happens, consult a healthcare professional to find a balance that works for you. A final word on onions and happiness. From cancer prevention to brain health, onions prove that great things come in small packages. These everyday heroes are a simple, affordable way to boost your health naturally. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the humble onion. It might just be the most powerful ingredient in your pantry. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.